What's up, fellas? I'm Tanya and welcome to this video. So today I'm very thrilled to share with you, well, some of you, my latest purchase. And okay, please excuse my face, my whole being. Okay, so as what I've said, I'm really thrilled to share with you my latest purchase. It's for professional use and sometimes for, recreational use, I'd say. So of course, if you're going to attend a Zoom meeting, you're going to want to look presentable in front of the camera, at least, And one of the key elements or one of the factors that would contribute is a good lighting. So that's what we bought today. So my purchase just got delivered a few minutes ago. It's from Noon. Yeah, it's one of the most famous online shopping sites here in UAE. Okay, so we've already opened the plastic bag. Now here's the product reveal. What just happened? Okay, well, so first off, the packaging looks horrible. Looks like it has been through a lot of stages on its life form. So what I bought is it's what's this again? It's a ring light, and I actually bought a ring light, and it's a smaller version, like really small. And the reason why I bought this is because I can get to just clip this onto my table. So because if I use the normal ring light, which I think I should have, am I regretting this? Well, I certainly hope not. Oh yeah, so here it is. This is what it looks like. So it's really sturdy. So yeah, like this. Do it like this. And the size is just pretty small. We'll see. Then here. So this is the cord. And yeah, it's pretty obvious. You will just gonna have to insert this in the USB port. So yeah, this is the reason why I bought this. You can just clamp it up. Let's see if it clamps here. Nope. Wait. And there's like a phone holder, so you can put your phone. Let's see. Oh, it's small, guys. I think it won't fit my phone, but we'll try. I'll show you. So yeah, this is it. Okay, I'll give you a demo of how it would look like if I turn this on and try this out while recording. So we'll compare it with this one. This is my other lamp. Yeah, I think the lighting is good, no? We'll see. So now for the moment of truth, we are going to test this little ring light over here, and I've already clamped this into this stand right here. And okay, so this is my face when we have this lamp here, and I've brought my laptop to test it out if what it would look like during a Zoom meeting. So we're going to turn this off. turn this on, there's a red button here, so you might wanna click this one. Oops. Okay. This is how I would look like on a camera phone. To adjust the lightings, you just have to press this arrows here to change the color of the light. So we have here the white. So this is the white color. This is the yellow one. I think I kind of like this. Or this one is more yellowish, almost into the, so it's more. Okay, so final verdict. I think no joke. Okay, so for the verdict, I can say that it's worth the money I spent for this one. I mean, it's not super expensive, but some would say that it's not, what do you call that? It's not practical. But actually, if you're someone like me who works part-time as a virtual assistant and you're attending a lot of, you're attending virtual meetings, then I guess it would be, it would be really useful for the improvement of the quality of your video. So that's what I just want to say, because my workstation, it's not too big, and my table is only intended for my laptop and keyboard, so I cannot put a normal ring light, because if I want to purchase a ring light, I want to make sure that I'm going to put it on the center, not on the side, not backlit. So because it's not gonna fit in front of, in the center of my table, then I'll just find other ring lights, and I found this one. So if that makes sense, then we're good. Well, I guess I'll see you in the coming days when we have our Zoom meeting next week. I'll show you if it does any improvement, or if it would make any difference, which I hope it would. So if you've come this far, thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye. I'm now here in my workstation.